Oxidation. Bernhard Tollens, 1841-1918, was a professor of chemistry at the University of Göttingen, Germany. Aldehydes differ from ketones in their oxidation reactions. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acid on treatment with common oxidizing agents like nitric acid, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate. Even mild oxidizing agents, mainly Tollens reagent and Fehling reagents, also oxidize aldehydes. So RCHO gives you RCOH. Ketones are generally oxidized under rigorous conditions, that is strong oxidizing agents, and at elevated temperature their oxidation involves carbon-carbon bond changes to avoid a mixture of carboxylic acid having lesser number of carbon atoms than the parent ketone. So this is the ketone, and gives by cleavage gives you this acid, then and also R-CH2COH, this acid, or by cleavage gives you this acid plus R-COH, C2C3 bond. The mild oxidizing agents given below are used to distinguish aldehydes from ketones. Tollens reagent on warming an aldehyde with freshly prepared ammoniacal silver nitrate. Tollens reagent is bright silver when it is produced with the formation of silver metal. The aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate anion. Silver is deposited and ammonia is released. Fehling test. A Fehling reagent comprises of two solutions, Fehling A, Fehling B. Fehling solution A is aqueous copper sulfate and Fehling solution B is alkaline sodium potassium tartrate Rochelle salt. These two solutions are mixed in each amounts before test. On heating an aldehyde with Fehling's reagent, a reddish brown precipitate is obtained. Aldehydes are oxidized to corresponding carboxylate anion. Aromatic aldehydes do not respond to this. It forms the red brown precipitates. So here it's oxidized and is reduced to +1. Copper is reduced to +1. Oxidation of methyl ketones by haloform reaction. Aldehydes and ketones having at least one methyl group linked to the carbonyl carbon atom. Methyl ketones are oxidized by sodium hypohalide to sodium salts of corresponding carboxylic acid having one carbon atom less than that of the carbonyl compound. The methyl group is converted to haloform. So this is converted to the haloform CHX3, or this is converted to the haloform CHCl3. The methyl group is converted to haloform. This oxidation does not affect the carbon-carbon bond if present in the molecule. Iodoform reaction with sodium hypoiodide is also used for detection of CH3CO group or CH3CHOH group, which produces CH3CO group on oxidation. An organic compound A with molecular formula C8H8O forms an orange red precipitate with 2,4-dinitrophenyl reagent and gives yellow precipitate on heating with iodine. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, it neither reduces Tollens reagent, Fehling reagent, nor does it decolorize the bromine water or base reagent. Contrasting oxidation with chromic acid gives carboxylic acids having molecular formula C. Identify the compounds A and B. A forms 2,4-DNP, 2,4-DNP, therefore it is an aldehyde or a ketone since it does not reduce Tollens reagent, Fehling reagent. A must be a ketone. A respond to iodoform test. Therefore it should be a methyl ketone. The molecular formula of A indicates high degree of unsaturation, yet it does not decolorize the bromine water or base reagent. This indicates the presence of unsaturation due to an aromatic ring. Compound beyond oxidation produces a ketone should be a carboxylic acid. The molecule formula B indicates that it should be benzoic acid, and compound A should therefore be monosubstituted aromatic methyl ketone. The molecular formula of A indicates that it should be phenyl methyl ketone, acetophenone. So this is the C double bond. It forms a double bond towards the antiderivative.